Greetings everyone. So we are going to start with standard enthalpy of combustion. It is written as delta HC and standard के लिए we put a dot. So what is standard enthalpy of combustion? It is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of compound is completely burned under standard conditions. Standard conditions are 1 atmosphere pressure and 298 Kelvin temperature with required amount of oxygen to form the products. Now let us consider this example, this equation. Carbon in the form of graphite, it reacts with oxygen, it gives us carbon dioxide in the gaseous state, and delta H, enthalpy change for the reaction, is minus 393 kilojoules per mole. So our question is to calculate heat of combustion of glucose from the following data. Now these reactions are given. First reaction is carbon in the form of graphite, it is in the solid form. It reacts with oxygen in the gaseous form to give us carbon dioxide, and delta H is minus 395 kilojoules per mole. Second equation is H2 plus half O2, it gives us water, and delta H is minus 269. And third equation is 6 carbon in the solid form, graphite form, plus 6 H2 plus 3 oxygen, it gives us C6H12O6, that is glucose in the solid form. And the delta H value is minus 1169 kilojoules per mole. So we have to calculate the standard enthalpy of combustion from the given data, from given these three equations. So how we will calculate? So what is our required equation? We have to calculate the standard enthalpy of combustion of glucose. So our required equation is, ये equation हमें दी नहीं हुई है, we will have to write it by ourselves. C6H12O6, that is glucose, it reacts with oxygen. Combustion करनी है glucose की, so it will react with oxygen and it will give us 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecules, and 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules, and delta H of delta H we have to calculate out. We have to calculate out the delta H of this reaction, because our question is to calculate the enthalpy of combustion of glucose from the given data. जो तीन equation दी हुई थी, that is your given data, and you have to calculate the enthalpy of combustion of glucose. So what is our required equation? This is glucose, glucose की combustion की, we will get carbon dioxide plus water, balance किया, and we have to calculate the delta H for this equation. So to obtain this equation, we have to subtract or add the above given three equation, and we can multiply or divide by given number, any number, to obtain the above required equation. So to obtain above equation number 1 and 2 are multiplied by 6 and they are then added. So जब 1 और 2 को 6 से multiply करेंगे, so what equation we will get? 6 carbon plus 6 hydrogen plus 9 oxygen, it gives us 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water. और इसका delta H को भी हमने 6 से multiply करना है. Delta H of equation 1 is multiplied by 6, 2 is multiplied by 6, and both are added, and we will get minus 3986 kilojoules per mole. This is your equation number 4. Now you have to subtract. अभी भी हमारी required equation नहीं आई है, so we will have to take one more additional step. You have to subtract equation number 3 from equation number 4. So C6H12O6 को जब आप equation number 3 को 4 से subtract करोगे, so this equation you will get, which is your required equation, that is C6H12O6 plus 6 carbon dioxide gives us 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water, and delta H comes out to be minus 2816 kilojoules per mole. So we can say heat of combustion of glucose is minus 2816 kilojoules per mole. One more numerical we can discuss. Question is heat of combustion of ethanol C2H5OH at constant pressure is minus 1368 kilojoules per mole. Calculate the heat of combustion at constant volume. So यहाँ पे equation नहीं दी हुई है, you have to write the equation yourself. So heat of combustion of ethyl alcohol at constant pressure is given. So first we have to write the equation. Ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH. It reacts with 3 oxygen molecule to gives us carbon dioxide plus water. Balancing you have to do it yourself. It is not given in the numerical. And delta H is given as minus 1368 kilojoules per mole. You have to calculate the heat of combustion at constant volume. So we know that our equation is delta H is equal to delta E plus delta N RT, and यहाँ पे जो delta N होते हैं, these are the number of moles of reactants and products in the gaseous state. That is delta N, we write it as delta Ng, that is number of moles of products and reactants which are present in the gaseous state, that is equal to number of moles of products in the gaseous state minus number of moles of reactant in the gaseous state. तो products के कितने number of mole gaseous state में है? प्रोडक्ट्स के कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल गैशियस स्टेट में है 2 एंड रिएक्टेंट के कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स गैशियस स्टेट में है 3. सो डेल्टा एन जी इज इक्वल टू 2 minus 3, दैट इज -1. सो पुटिंग द वैल्यूज, डेल्टा एच इज -1368 एट कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर इट इज गिवन. डेल्टा ई वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट आउट. डेल्टा एन की वैल्यू आ गई -1 इंटू आर. आर इज 8.314 जूल्स पर केल्विन पर मोल. पर हमें जो डाटा दिया हुआ है, जितनी भी हमारी हीट वैल्यूज दी हुई हैं, वो सब किस में दी हुई हैं? किलो जूल्स में. सो जूल्स को किलो जूल्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट by 10 to power -3 into 298. So we will get heat energy at constant volume. Next type of enthalpy is enthalpy of neutralization. So what is enthalpy of neutralization? It is the enthalpy